Self-practice 4.13, question 2. Solve the following equations by using natural log. Natural log is basically ln. Give the answer in 3 decimal places. Right. Okay. So we have ln 5x plus 2 equals to 15. Okay, ln we can write it as log base e. Because ln is log base natural number. Natural number is e. Okay, so let's look at the rule. I can write it here. Okay, the rule is if let's say we have log 5x equals to 2. When we move this log 5 here, it pushes the 2 up. It becomes 5 power 2. Okay, so log 5, you move there, it becomes 5 squared. So if we have log base e, when log base e moves up there, it will become e power 2. So instead of writing log base e, they like to write it as ln. So if ln x, ln we move there, it becomes e power 2. Okay. So if you're confused, what normally we can do is we just write it as log base e, because we are used to seeing log. So log e, you move there, it becomes e power 15. So 5x plus 2 is e power 15. 5x is e15 minus 2. X will be e15 minus 2 over 5. So this time we can just write in our calculator lah. Shift ln gives us e15 minus 2, this whole thing over 5. So we get 653,803.074. This is correct to 3 decimal places lah. Done. So this is how you move the ln over the other side to become e power 15. Alright, let's look at B is a bit different. Okay, so B we have 30 e power 2x plus 3 equals to 145. So first let's bring this 30 over this side. So we get e power 2x plus 3 is 145 over 30. Then when we move, okay, now we want to bring this down. So we are doing the opposite of this way. So if we have, okay, let me just do it again. So if we have, let's say e, or let's say x long, x power 2 is 5, let's say. Okay, the rule of log says that if you want to bring this down, it becomes log x 5. Okay, this is one of the laws of log. So x you bring here, it will become log x 5. So if we have e power 2, when we bring e this side, it becomes log base e equals log base e 5. So log base e 5, we can write it as ln 5. Okay, maybe it's a bit complicated if you're looking at this the first time, but if you do it a few times, you'll get the hang of it lah. So e, when we move here, it becomes log base e 145 over 30. Okay, and then this power drops down to become whole numbers, 2x plus 3. Okay, so log base e, we can write this as ln. Okay, because the question says we have to use natural log, so we have to use ln lah. Then we can make x the subject, so 2x will be ln 145 over 30 minus 3. X will be, let's duplicate this one, this whole thing divide by 2. So we can just put this in our calculator. Ln 145 over 30 minus 3 whole thing divided by 2. We get 0.712. Oh, sorry, negative 0.712. This will be correct to 3 decimal places. Done. Let's look at C. We have, C is almost the same as B. So 5e 3x minus 4 equals to 35. So we bring the 5 over there first. So it becomes 35 over 5, which is just 7. Okay, I can just write this as 7. Then when we move e the other side, it becomes ln. So 3x minus 4 is ln 7. And then 3x is ln 7 plus 4. X will be ln 7 plus 4 over 3. Right. So ln 7 plus 4 divide 3. We get 1.982. Correct to 3 decimal places. Done. Okay, let's look at D. D is similar to A. So we have ln 3x minus 2 equals to 4. So ln, when we move this side, it becomes e power 4. So let's make x the subject. So 3x is e power 4 plus 2. X will be e4 plus 2 over 3. Shift ln power 4 plus 2, answer divided by 3. 18.866. Done. 3 decimal places. Okay, 2 more. E. We have 41 minus e power 2x equals to 5. So this e power 2x we bring over there, and then this 5 we bring over here. So 41 minus 5 is e power 2x. So let's just swap the places. I bring this one here, I bring this one there, just swap. 41 minus 5 is 36. So bringing e here, this rule applies. You bring the e there, becomes ln 5. So 2x is ln 36. X will be ln 36 over 2. Ln 36 divided by 2. 1.792. Okay, don't forget that you have to close the bracket here. Okay, some students might go and do this, ln 36 divided by 2. So this is completely different. Okay, it's ln 36 close bracket divide 2. The whole thing divide 2 lah. Okay. Final question F. Right, this is same as A and D. So ln x plus 1 square equals to 4. So when we bring ln over that side, becomes e power 4. So instead of expanding this, what we can do is we bring the square over that side, becomes square root. So x plus 1 is square root of e power 4. But don't forget, square root, you get plus and minus. So we get 2 answers. X plus 1 is positive square root, or x plus 1 is negative square root of e4. So x will be e4 minus 1, x will be negative e4 minus 1. So square root of e power 4 minus, oops, okay, minus 1. You have to be careful, the square root only belongs to e. And the other one is negative. So you get negative 8.389. So we get two answers for this question. One is this, one more is this. So be careful with the square root, you have to take plus minus. That's it.